All right, cool. We're on, but let me get Chatty up and running because I had to restart. Oh, it looks like it's working on YouTube too. Fantastic. All right. Sounds kind of bad on YouTube though. I don't know. Why do you have a star on your name? Oh, because you're a subscriber. Because most likely Snotty gifted you a sub. Also, test. Okay, that's what I thought. That's weird. Anywho, so I think today I'll keep working on my stuff. I'm gonna push an update live. But before I do that, I want to try to get moles into the second area. And once I get moles into the second area, I'll try to push the update live and see if you guys can test it. And then at the end of the stream, we'll talk about. I guess maybe we'll talk about some strategy on the game jam. Although they didn't call it a game jam, they just called it a. What is it? What did they call it? I have it open over here. Announcements. Developer challenge. And yeah, what's going on, Henry? I see you spammed the chat. Mods are spamming chat. Mods, spam that guy. All right, let me delete. And I'm gonna change the title to my stream. Give me a sec. Where is it? Title. What is it gonna be? Cool. Done. Move this over here. Make OBS up front. Make that smaller. And all right, where's VS Code? There's VS Code. There you go. Cool. So I did something, and you saw this problem on your end, Henry. I added something to the skill GUI, and I think I might have pushed it in the last update by accident, which would cause everybody to not have a functional GUI, skill GUI. Let me fix that now, but to fix it, I kind of have to add a few things here. Let's see. Look, in I pairs. Skill effect table. This is gonna be here. Do I want? Yeah, sure. So skill effect names, I guess, is equal to, and this is just going to be the strings. This is going to start with MP cost. This is going to be duration. This is going to be cooldown. Yes, Henry. What are you doing? No, you're not. I'm not turning on strong request for you now. um, target. Effect. All right, cool. Now we go down here and we say self dot. What did I call this? Skill effect names. I. These have to change to V. Skill effect names can still be I. Lock V. Else if V is equal to skill effect description, right? I just want to make it work now, and then I can alter it slightly. Then we use this. This is going to be new frame dot text dot text label dot text. Okay, and this is going to this is going to change. This has to change. I don't know why I did UI text size constraint max text size. That seems weird. Oh wait, I know why I did it. I guess it works. All right, skill effect text. Is this the? I don't know, because this is part of skill effect frame. Skill effect text would be within skill effect frame. That is exactly the problem in what I just changed. So then I would actually have to grab this part. New frame dot text label. That's what it's going to be. Same thing down here. Oh, oh, I need to parent it there, right. New frame dot parent is equal to skill effect frame. And this is going to be the same thing down here. There's definitely something I can do to make this better, but first let me just get it to work. Okay. I can't speak Spanish. I think I saw that a little bit late, but I can't speak Spanish, but I did take Spanish in school. Okay, well this works now. I know that. Oh, look at all that. That's fantastic. What? $79. Oh, this is still in a few different places. Okay. For underscore comma. Yeah. Underscore comma v in get children. Do if v is a frame, then v destroy. Okay. Okay. For underscore comma v in get children. Do if v is a frame, then v destroy. And all good. Let's try that again. Egad. All right, let's do some prints over here to make sure I know what's going on. All right, we're gonna do print I comma v print lock v play. Attempt to index nil with clone. Skill effect. Oh, okay. I know what happened. I know exactly what happened. Where is it? Skills GUI and skills GUI. There you go. All right. Attempt to index nil with clone. Oh no. So I want to test something here now. We're going to do... so import tables, we're going to print self.skill effect to clone. Because I want to see if anything is in here. Or if it's just all nil. If it's all nil, I have to change them to strings. Also, that is 65 in skills UI. Yep, it's all nil, so I do have to change these to strings. I was thinking of that when I first made it, so kind of understandable. Let's try that again. It is now in there. Phenomenal. Okay, so we go here, we go here, we go here. Wait, what? Oh, I never removed. I forgot to delete. Yikes. Ruh-roh. So this is what we do now. Yeah, because before, also, let's get rid of that. Let's just get rid of pretty much all of these things, because I'm pretty sure they all work to some degree. Like the replacements work, I'm pretty sure. Get rid of some lines of code here. Clean it up. I already have that now. All right. Now, where else? There we go. Cool. Probably paste this here. I think that'll pretty much cover what I'm trying to do. Alright, I think there's something empty coming through, which is a little bit concerning. Let's see, player GUI, skills GUI, skills frame, 1, 3, and 5. Oh, okay, I know why. This, first of all, this has to be, yeah, it's X, it's center center. It has to be top left. So that's gonna be in, that's in 5, but I want to double check all of these. That's left center. I mean, all of these are probably going to be left center, or left top. I mean, left top. All right, let's try that again. Okay, we do this. I finally give MP cost here. Alright, there's nothing there. Cool. Alright, so I want to release this version of the game. I might actually add one more thing. Actually, no. It'll be. I'm just gonna release it as is. I'll change this to oh no. Well, that should never happen. Uh, Normally, there's a reason why it's happening now. I think I know why it's happening now. It's not letting me go through. Let's fix it. This is specifically for testing. Like, that button would not be there if not for testing. There it is. Initialize. Yeah, we do that. Weapon select. Get special item bool. Right, the server checks to make sure that you can receive the item, and then returns false if you can't. But now the client doesn't know what to do with it. Or actually, no, it's not that the client doesn't know what to do with it, it's that it never sends anything back, I guess. Or did I run into an error, actually? Let's see. Okay, that's really dumb. It's not dailies I'm looking for. It's welcome. If not bool, then you return. Then it doesn't do anything here. Alright, here's the thing. Like, yeah, technically there's a bool, but I don't actually need this. Because it's a testing thing. Alright, let's try that again. We do sure, Sure. No. Okay. I'm kind of okay with that. Is there anything else? No. So there's some minor things I kind of want to work on, but instead of working on that, I'm going to get the mole into the next area. Before that, though, I'm going to update and push the update. And I need you guys to go into the game and try to break it or play it. I'm going to leave these buttons in here, by the way. I'm going to change the name of the top one so it's more clear to see what that does. The top button will reset the welcome, quote-unquote welcome. And that'll just be the message when you first log in, so you guys can test that one. And then the second one forces a daily reset for you alone. If you ever have issues, one of the issues with the daily that I was running into is, like before I did some things, for some reason it would just reset on its own, or at least it looked like it reset on its own without moving into the next day. I'm pretty sure I fixed it, but if you guys run into some kind of similar issues, please let me know. And let me know what you had to do to basically do that to run into that issue. Oh, is this working, by the way? It should be working, yeah. Let me hide this. Where's the for testing purposes? Reset welcome. Could probably like do a reset data store thing there too. Anyway, that is going to be it for that. Let me open all of the places here. Underground, main. Happy birthday, Bob. Very nice. So in 5 more hours, we'll get the drop. And is that on your birthday, or is that already the next day for you? I think that's still. Wouldn't that be like 11 o'clock where you are, something like that? Okay. Now, let's move. So everything is starter GUI. Let's just go into replicated storage actually and delete replicated storage. I could delete old modules too, I think. Move this into replicated storage. Move this into GUI. Is that it? Plate. Oh wait, there's like one more code that I kind of want to do. Also, I don't, Bop, were you here when I was working on the underground? Like adding lights everywhere? All right, then check it out. My lanterns flicker a little bit. Oh, right. See lanterns flickering? I'm thinking I should do something where like I add the rest of this here and then just when we flip the screen it just hides it. But yeah, this is where there's gonna be moles everywhere here because I'm just gonna add monsters later. Add different monsters later. Yeah, and then the yeah, this is the entrance to the boss that is not available yet. But yeah, the lights flickering I think is a nice little touch. I probably did not do that in the most economical way possible. All right, let's stop. Let's actually add the mole. Before I add the mole, I have to look up something. Not there. Where is it? Let's go Roblox. I have to grab my creations because that will have all of the mole animations because they're a bit old at this point. A few months old, so I have to find them. Animations. There might not be too bad actually. So yeah, the problem was, oh my god, this is so dumb. Why can't they make it easy for me to delete stuff in general, not just animations? The thing is all of my other animations were like annoying. The scarecrow animation was ridiculous. The crab animation literally took me a week. But the mole animation I got in and it was done in like 5 seconds. It's just I don't have moles. So now I'm trying to figure out. All right, I found the mole. I found the mole animation. Let me see if this even works. Fair enough. Yeah, I could do that. I'll do that now, actually. That is a script that I think I made in Roblox, so let's fix it in Roblox. Because that's a script, that's a script I think in here, like in the actual workspace. This is the only time I actually put scripts in the workspace. Or is it crystals? Yeah, crystal light. You think reduce range or reduce brightness? Maybe both. Let's make range 15 and brightness 0.5. See how that looks. Okay. Hey, what's going on, man? Long time no see, Burst, man. I feel like maybe I should make this bigger. No, that's fine. I mean, I think I know what I have to do. Actually, also, maybe I should put more lamps around. Progress is going. Progress is going. I'm gonna be releasing an update that I need people to test. So please feel free to do so. Good, I'm happy. That's one of the reasons I went around to show you. Good. I'm happy you like it, Bob. Let's yeah, I might add more lamps later, but I can do that whenever. So let me get the mole situation all settled. Uh, Before I do that, let me publish this. Publish. Publish. And where's the other one here? Publish. All right. All three of them should be published. If you guys can go in and just let me know if you run into any issues. Feel free to test things like again. There should be a reset button for the welcome and the reset button for daily, just so you can test that over and over again. Oh, let me take a look. Oh, damn. Like a 2D thing. That looks great. Jeez. Looks like it's a game he's making. I thought he was going to send images like he usually does, but no, these look great. Do you want me to show them on stream? Yes. Okay, okay. I was asking if you wanted me to show them on stream. Uh, yeah, I'll do it here. I'll do it in this one. It's just gonna be Discord, so it's 3 images. 1, 2, 3. I assume this guy's the main character over here. Looks good. Yeah, man. It's got some crazy art. Look at that. This is just that one it's just that one image with the guy with the flashlight under his head. I know this image. I'm sure you did. No, this character here actually reminds me of something. So I'm pretty sure I've seen this character before. I haven't played games like these before, so you could tell me you made this whole thing and I would believe you. Let me go back here. Actually, no, I'm gonna go back here because this is where I'm gonna do everything. Yeah, it looks good. Oh, that's the game you're basing it off of, right? Or no, this was the game you're basing it off. Sorry, I was looking at something else. All right. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. I'm sure some people would appreciate it. Oh, jeez. Gonna give me nightmares, man. Terrifying. All right, so what I need to do here is actually it should be pretty easy. Go into monsters somewhere. monster stats. Okay. M10. All right, this is going to be M11. Name is going to be ground mole. Level is going to be, this thing's level 10. Let's make this thing, did I literally increase increment by 1? Yeah, I guess the mole can be, it's a new area, so we can make it 12. Attack is going to be 40, defense is 0, HP is 220, speed is 15. Sure, that should be down. I'll just one second, because I had this turned on before and I kind of want it back. It's going to be in security, I think. Streamer mode, here we go. All right. Oh, geez, what was that? Oh, thanks for the gift of sub, Snotty. Nice. Grats on the subscription burst. Well, let me show this again really quick. That's what he just sent me. He's coming up soon. So here's the thing. I'm also, once alpha's released, I'm gonna start doing variety streams too. Like I'm gonna try to like actually start playing other games, and maybe actually showing my fantastic what's the term I'm looking for? Personality. Yeah, we're gonna do that. I haven't really been too active on stream just because like usually I'm just thinking about what to code. But yeah, I'll try to, like my brother's been telling me I should try to do that. So I'll probably do like 1 or 2 days a week. I'll try to do some kind of variety stream instead of just coding all day, every day. Yeah, some of this stuff that you send me, Burstman, are creepy, and I love them. Like this kind of thing, I'd make a game. I'd make a game like this. The problem is I can't draw like this. I have a friend who could, and I kind of want to work on a game with him, but like I wouldn't want to do that until I could prove some kind of profitability to him. Yeah, you are. That you are. It's even better if you can make something like this where if you like squint, you can almost see like a second face somewhere in there. Like, all right. Anyway, I gotta get back to making my stuff because for the next after this, for the next like 4 days, I'm gonna be working on the game jam thing. So I want to at least get this out, and then beta will come out like right after. Where is it? There you go. You can show them on the Discord too. I think you're both on the Discord server. Oh, you know what? I need to do this here. Animation folder, monsters. It's going to be mole001. Folder. Attack. Copy. Idle. I have 2 idols here. Sorry, I have 3 idols actually. Oh, because one was left, one was right. Oh, one was him looking left, and one was him looking right. That's what it was. I'm gonna just do the 1 for now. And then walk. Just to see if it even works in the first place. Texture. Ooh, that has to be... Well, it has to be this texture, because it's not going to be anything else. What is it? Workspace. Where's the mole? Mole. There it is. Texture ID is this. So we're just going to use this texture ID. Alright, so that should be good now. I think I actually have to move this into a folder. Oh, and this is already diagonal, right? It looks like it. Looks like it's already all set. So that's going to be replicated storage, I'm pretty sure. Monsters, models, yep. Let's just move it in. So if I play, what I'm going to test right now, and this will pretty much confirm everything for me, is the bestiary. Ground mole. Oh, why does that look kind of gross? Okay, alright. I could totally do better with the animations, but that's alright. It kinda sorta works. Because it kinda sorta works, let's change what is being dropped here. So we're gonna make it a 5% chance to drop a potion. There is no miscellaneous drop from the mole, but there is going to be... So here's the thing. Either the mole is going to drop rings, or the mole is going to drop offhands. Because both, I don't think I drop either of those. In fact, I don't even think I drop glasses. I'll make the mole drop glasses. I just have to grab the code for glasses. Here we go. And we're going to make that a, 100. Should probably drop more than just that, though. Can't drop gloves. We'll make it 50, actually. And then I'll just do all of the rings. There's 6 of them, okay? Is equal to 50. And this is just going to be, the last number here. 5, 4, 3, 2. I should probably add some kind of miscellaneous drop to them, but for now I just want to get them into the game. It's going to be here. Oh, stop this. And the way to get them into the game is go into areas. And basically add this. What's the it's places I need. Okay. So I've got, oh, because places was already open? Where did I open areas? I was going to move it to the front. Places is there. Areas. Oh, is this all the way in the back? Okay. Okay, dude. All right. It's one. This is the underground. It's equal to table. All right, this is basically what I need. Just want to copy, make sure I'm kind of doing the same thing. So the top number here is the total number of monsters that are allowed to be in the area. The bottom is the number of monsters that spawn at the same time, and the one underneath that is just the monster itself. The monster itself is this guy. And the rest of it is fine for now. I can always make minor adjustments later. 2, 3, 4. There's 4 places, or there's 4 areas in this place. It's going to be... Oh, I didn't actually create any areas yet. I put the things there, but I didn't actually... Okay. Okay. Duplicate areas. So this one's going to be... Let me just make sure I do it the same way I do it here. Areas. Yikes. Okay. So this is... Where did I get this part from? R1. It's going to be called R1. I have to double check the area functions here, the area module. That would be server side, right? It should actually be fine. So I'm just gonna kind of go with it and hope it doesn't mess up. So it is R1, R2, F1, F2. It's all going to be the same for now. Now I actually have to make them. So we're going to scale this by moving it down and up, and here and here. Okay. Cool, cool. This is going to be obviously transparent. Now we're going to duplicate that. Call it R2. Oh. Come on, man. R2. And move it to the left here. R2 can be a little bit bigger, I'm pretty sure. Oh, actually, no. It can be, but I'm not going to let it be. That's fine. All right, next let's work on F1. Grab this one. F1. Scale. That's fine. Duplicate, move to the left, to the left. All right, this one can be bigger. Make it go to the right a little bit. Extend it out. And move it up. All right, that's it. Just need to make sure that, oh, this is F2. Let me make sure that F2, all these, let's just make them transparency 1. Oh, and can collide. What did I do here? All right, yeah, I can turn all of this off. This part and part doesn't care about that. Okay, so that should be good. There's one more thing I have to do, I think, before I can actually test this out to see if it works. Two more things, actually. One is to bring over everything from the other server, or from the other place, namely the mole. So let me do that because that's the quicker part. So let's bring this mole over. Mole. You go into animation folder monsters. Yep. And under monsters models, we're going to grab the mole. Put it over here. I think that is that. All right, next. Maybe I should have done this first. It's okay. We're gonna duplicate this, put it inside of R1, because that's what this is, right? Yeah, R1. Just make sure this has the same stuff. Yeah. Cancel, turn all that stuff off. Transparency of 1. And I think this also just has a size of 1. Yeah. Luckily, I'm pretty sure the way I program these now is they can go wherever. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna duplicate this, move it into R2, and then actually move it into R2. Okay, so there's gonna be 3 places these things can spawn over here. 1, 2, 3, and then it's gonna be 1 on each of these little hill things. And then 2 over here. 1, 2. All right, that's enough. Now we go over here. Duplicate that. This is F1. Gonna make the size 1. Gonna be transparent. Can collide, can query, can touches off. And we're good. All right, this one's awkward. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or we're not gonna have a spawn on the ground. That's what it is. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, these things can really be put anywhere. This is, oh, come on. F2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $11 and oh, come on. 12. All right, cool. Okay, let's try it. Oh wait, what happened? Okay, that was weird. I'll take a look in a sec. Let's see how this turns out. Oh, we got problems. Attempt to index nil with Tmons. Module shared area. That's this. Did I just not update it by accident? It's very possible. Let me just double check that it's here. This would be under replicated storage, modules, server and client, dictionaries, areas. Yeah, it's right there. What the hell is this? What? Alright, let's make this 202 so I can save, and this isn't being updated. This is not being updated. Why is it not being updated? Module shared areas. Oh, it is. What is this? That is a really weird update. What? What? It keeps doing it every time I update it. Oh no. All right, let's disconnect and then connect. All right. That fixed it. That was weird. Let's see if that actually fixed it. Oh, sorry, I was working on something. Yeah, it looks great. Little boss battle over there. Looks neat. Okay, so we've got errors still. Oh. That's just a naming convention thing. All that is I have to go here and I have to change the name of anthill to environment. Okay. Right. That's also just setup. Setup that I have not yet done. Folder R1, R2, F1, F2. F1, F2. Is there any other setup I have to do, by the way? I'd like to do it all at once, thank you. Where's the other stuff here? Alright, so areas, that's done. Environment, it's fine. Monsters, just did it. Alright, NPC, new ground can be ignored. Paths doesn't matter. Pivots is already done. Platforms is already done. There are no portals yet, but those don't have folders in them. Okay, I think we're good now. I think we're good now. Nope. Argument 2, missing or nil. What is this? Oh shit. Alright, I'll be right back. I know the problem. Alright, back. So the problem is I have to redo my monsters script. I think it's more than... I'm pretty sure it's more than the client. I think it's the server too. But let me double check. First I will check the client script because that's where it says I have an issue. Then I'll go into the server script to make sure that there's nothing there. I do believe there would be something there. Some problem there. And the exact problem is line 133. Oh. Ruh-roh. There's a few places I'll have to use O. What is it? String dot len is greater than 2 and or sub 1 comma 1. Alright, I mean that's gonna be a for now solution. I'll have to figure this out in a different way in a bit. But what's the problem? There has to be a problem on the server. I think, at least. But maybe not. Monster. Wouldn't be any of that. Well, yeah, this stuff. It only shows up here though. I can just do the same thing, right? String dot len is greater than 2 and or sub 1 1. Okay. Yeah, there's definitely other issues. It all stems from the name. I think like the easiest solution to this is actually to change the name of the areas and add a letter. And I think I'm going to do that because there's only 4 areas here. I'll just add B for base. Or bottom, doesn't really matter. Base or bottom. Oh, come on. Do that and that. And then client, we can do the same thing. Just undo everything. All right. So something I want to do ASAP is change the order of how certain things load when the... Okay. What? Guess there's one more thing I have to undo. Oh, right. B. 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 Stop. I mean, let's see if there's anything here. What? All right. Henry, where are you at? Took me way too long to do that. Alright, so what is the problem here? We'll figure it out by looking at the same stuff over here. I think it's a weld constraint situation that I just simply haven't done there yet. Oh shit. I don't want to get attacked. Shoot, these things are too strong for me. I'm level 6. No, don't. Yeah, going over here will solve that problem. Okay. Monsters, top. Doesn't matter. I mean, we have the welds to the humanoid root part. Is that the problem, though? Let me see. Can I open it here, or will I just error out? Yeah, I just error out. Yeah. So let's try snip. So if this is the problem, this is just a problem with the model that I can fix in a jiffy. Just go here. Wait, I just saw that red here. What was that red? Oh no. Okay. Oh, I was attacked. Okay. We go monsters. I just want to... Yeah, there's no weld on the humanoid root part. Okay. So all I have to do is put a weld on the humanoid root part. That should be all I have to do. Let's go module, monster, humanoid root part, weld. part 0, part 1, duplicate it. I mean, yeah, I think that was it, right? Pretty sure. Oh my god. Oh my god. These things are tiny. Holy. Also, they're not the right orientation. No. Stop. All right, let's bring these guys out. Let's bring these to the forefront. All right. So to start with, oh yeah, I don't even increase their size at all, so that's why they're all tiny. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, what? There are no welds on the humanoid root part here. So, where do I weld the humanoid root part? Sheesh. Oh, I only do it for the mushroom. Then what do I do for the other two? Oh, I do it for that too. So what would happen if I deleted these welds on the mushroom? Out of curiosity. Oh, I guess same thing that happens. But it doesn't happen for the crab? Bro, I'm so confused. Some of this model stuff is annoying. Okay. So yeah, we do workspace, monsters. Take a look at what's going on here. Oh, we have weld constraint on the monster instead here. And a weld. So it welds for the hitbox and the humanoid root part. And orientation is, okay. Orientation on the weld is 45 degrees, which makes sense. Okay. Alright, so yeah, instead we have the weld constraint there. I should probably just make this consistent. Just have both a weld and a weld constraint. Duplicate. So for the big crab, what would happen if I just added another weld constraint and said Humanoid root part, and then deleted the weld. Yeah, you can show me. It breaks the game. Cool. That sucks. Yeah, I'll take a look. Ooh. Don't mind if I do. I'm gonna yoink those. I'm gonna yoink those for my game too. Like, I don't know where you found those, but that looks nice. Very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna yoink those. That's okay. I won't take it then. If you tell me not to, I won't. But yeah, it's a good idea. We're gonna duplicate the mole here. Or I'm sorry, not duplicate the mole. We're gonna copy the mole. We're gonna. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, I would have removed it myself, but yeah, if you can just do it there, then that's perfect. Then that's perfect. We're gonna delete this mole. We're gonna paste a different mole, and we're gonna move it somewhere I can see it. Show me. Gorgeous. Okay, but this is like really, really small. Okay. That is way better. But still kinda small, bro. But probably more like the size of the player, so that's kind of fine. Models. Alright, let's try this again. What's the saddest thing? What happened? What happened? Oh no. No. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. It's not good. It's not cool, guys. Not cool. Oh shoot. Okay, so I'm running into an issue where I am not high enough level, and so I'm missing them, and that's why I'm hitting them for zero. If I miss, I hit them for zero. Okay. Hey, they died. Okay. Oh no, I have to heal my MP. Even with unlimited MP, the cooldown is making it ridiculous. That guy didn't want to. Oh no, it spawned on top of me. That's funny. Oh wait, you can't use them? Can't I I'll look into what I can do with my own Twitch channel and see if I can shift things around. Maybe change the first thing. I don't know. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. But yeah, I will happily use those going forward. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Very, very much so. More than you can imagine, really. More than you know. Okay, so I've got I've got monsters in the in the second area now. They're just really, really strong. Oh my god. Oh wait, no, these things are spawning immediately. That's not good. Oh, this is because I kept that test thing up. Let me change the code, make sure that the test aspect of it is no longer what's live. That would be server areas. Okay. Oh, this was gonna be how I handle certain events and stuff. But the area table, for some reason, spawns everything at the same time. Is it because of spawn countdown? That's actually a more likely scenario. All right, yeah, this is why it's happening. What? What? Why didn't I? Why didn't I do anything with spawn countdown here? That's weird. Awesome. Oh, these are like bigger ones. I'll download all of them. Save, save. Yeah, yeah. I'll bring these in game too. Honestly, these because these can be used for other things too. Oh, it's not copy, save. All right. Awesome. Yeah, they're probably just gonna be like the actual acorn drops are gonna look like this. Like the regular one is gonna be the 1 month one, and then as they become like more, as the acorn drops become worth more and more, I'll just increase, or I'll just change what it looks like. Because what I had before is just like a terrible art thing that I made myself, and I just like added more acorns to it. It's pretty bad. But yeah, I'll do that in a bit. In a bit. Right now, I'm working on something that I didn't actually notice was wrong before because it was actually beneficial while testing, but it's not really beneficial normally. Oh, here it is. Else area table spawn countdown my delta. So it's here. All right, let's do this. Let's print spawn or area table dot spawn countdown. Print mon spawned. What's all right? Where's current mons? All right, let's find out what prints over here now. You think so? The because the cool thing with not having the GUI stuff is or not having a billboard GUI is like you can actually make it move, like 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 turn and kind of do that, and then it can like lie flat on the ground. I figured for weapons it would be definitely the best thing, and then since miscellaneous drops are similar, I might as well do it for miscellaneous drops too. Well, that was my logic behind it. I didn't pay attention to what I was supposed to pay attention to. Oops. Let's go here. Okay, yeah. So for some reason, spawn countdown is the thing that's messing up. It's not the actual. Yeah, so I'll highlight spawn countdown, and that means this is procking like 4 times. Print. expect 8 procs here. Pretty sure this is a timing thing. I guess I'll test to make sure it's a timing thing first of all. Problem is, like this is a check I do need to do. I can just combine them, right? Move this over here. Delete that. Delete that. If I combine these, let's see. Nope. That was still instantaneous. It's 5 4 times. Area table dot spawn debounce, or just debounce, and the spawn part is just going to be false. The spawn part is just going to be obvious, and then we come up here and say and area table dot spawn, or just dot debounce is equal to false. Alright, and if it's not equal to false, then you keep going. Alright, now area table dot debounce is equal to true. Then we go down here. It's equal to false. Okay. Timing. Very, very important. Oh no, it's still doing it. All four of them still went through. No, when monsters spawn, I should also probably make them like fade in instead of just appearing. And make it so you can't kill them immediately after they fade in. Hmm. We'll see, we'll see. Well, this is really annoying, because I don't know why it's not working. Oh, wait. I think I know why it's not working. Oh, I can't do it here. Let me do it here. Oh shit. Okay, yeah. It's good. Now it's good. These things are moving a little bit fast for me though. Can't really do much about that. All right. Yeah, that's good. I'm going to push this as is now. Should still be able to go here. Check this out. Okay, that's a lot better than... Oh, because it's a bigger size, obviously. Okay. Oh, right. I show all of this. Why is this not going? Okay, so it's just the green one. Let me fix that. It's the base item wherever it is. Base item. Green ring. Okay, so what was the problem here compared to... PER instead of PRE? Yeah, PER instead of PRE. That was the problem. It was going to happen one of these days, but... Yeah, let's go back here, make sure... Yep, now that shows up too. You're all pretty nice. Cool, cool, cool. All right, now let me make sure that the model is scaled correctly. So it's scale 2. I just have to make sure it's scaled 2 here as well. Okay, scale 2. And now, something I'm going to do in the bestiary. I need the replicated storage, UI to clone, bestiary. All of these buttons I want to move into the bestiary just to see something. Okay, not there. What's the drop button, by the way? Like, actually, what is the drop button? Oh, right. Those are the images. Okay, so both of these can go back. Both of these can go back to bestiary GUI. Anim button, though. This is a problem. And I thought I dealt with this before, but apparently I did not. Let's make that smaller. Alright. Text label. Yeah, it's not going to be 1. Let's go 0.95 maybe. .8. Yeah, I think 0.8's fine. .8 bold is perfectly fine. Alright, now we're going to move this back here. We're going to copy it and do the same thing here. Where is it? GUI to clone, bestiary GUI, delete the enum button, paste that one. Just to make sure that it's not like overwhelmingly big. Alright, I'm kind of okay with that. I don't think there would be any other issues here. So I'm going to publish this again. That's going to be with the monsters in the new area. Oh, wait, there's one more publishing thing I should do. Shoot. And that is to increase the amount of experience people get again. What should I increase the amount of experience by? That would be in server on monster died, right? Yeah, weapon experience, player experience. Guess we can actually test to make sure this works. Let's make it 10,000, which is not quite as much as it was before. I'll make the server drop like 5 as well. So you're 5 times as likely. So you're way more likely to get stuff, basically. Um, yeah. Let's go. Oh shoot! I was blowing into the mic. Sorry about that. What's? Oh yeah, I got to level 20 immediately. Nice. That's what I'm looking for. Also, I have 5 times drop rate, so it's pretty much guaranteed. Alright, yeah, sometimes they pop up, sometimes they don't. Very strange. Equip. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's like some weird lag going on. Why? Oh, you know what? Maybe if I delete that, I can see why. Oh, right, the filter always causes lag for me. That's what it was. Congratulations, Snotty. Hit 10k channel points. Damn. You're very cool. You've always been cool, Snotty. Now you're 10,000 times cooler, though. Now that you have 10k channel points. I'm gonna... Yeah, so with... unfortunately, I can't think of anything else to do when it comes to using channel points for the game. I already have those things kind of set up. But I will be doing variety streams where you can like force me to like do weird stuff. like play like force me to like color the hair color of whatever character I am, some weird thing. I don't know. I'll have to make it like open ended though, like give me a demand. I can't really think of anything else channel points can be used for. It's like it's a nice little bonus thing. Alright, I'm going to stop doing this. I'm level 47. Okay, so it's not as quick as before, but it's still good. Yeah, I think with this should be good. So let me publish that again. And I would like pretty much I'm going to post an announcement. Oh, wow, I can't speak. I'm going to post an announcement on Discord too. I want people to play the game and try to find anything that they can find wrong with any of the areas, any of the menus, things like that. Oh, so yes. I guess I could do like a soundboard thing. I could probably do text to speech, but the text to speech almost like messes me up because I'm trying to actively do stuff. But yeah, soundboards could be good. I have to like add that. I'll have to take a look at Stream Elements and see what additional things they have. All right, so I got the monster out, and honestly, it's pretty damn easy. I could modify the monster's code to make it better, but I could also do that later. I can do minor improvements to certain things, or I can start the thing I wanted to do off stream, which was the what's it called, the shop. I'll do the minor improvements now because I need to do that. Yeah, yeah. So like each individual has like a 10-minute cooldown. Yeah, I'll take a look. I know these softwares have been out for a while for streaming, so I'll have to really look into them to make the viewing experience as enjoyable as possible and as interactive as possible. Really. Let me check this out. So we're gonna do it on the normal place. Not that one. Why is that even open? There it is. Okay. And if you were to do any testing, I'll put this in the Discord too. But again, the reset welcome and daily reset are so that you can test resetting them. You won't be able to see how many gems you have yet because that will be populated in the shop menu, and the shop menu is not working yet because I'm not going to have the donate button there. I'm not going to have a donate in the game anymore. It's going to be, if you want to donate, you can go to like the donate place, but it's going to be that you can like it'll essentially be a donate thing, but you'll actually get gems out of it. So you can buy gems for a certain amount, and it'll be basically the same stuff that the donate has, except I don't think I'll have as many options for donation or for gem buying. I think it'll only go up to. I mean, I guess I could check other games to see how high it goes, but I was thinking of making it only go up to 10k Robux because 10k Robux is wait 10k. Yeah, 10k Robux is $100, right? Thinking. Because 100 is like $1 times 100 is 10k. Yeah, yeah. So 10k should be about $100. I don't think there's very many games that offer options to get more in-game currency than a $100 package. So I think I'll do that. I'll do like the normal. What is it? I'll do a 100 Robux one. I'll do a what is it? 1 5 1,000. So 100, 500, 1,000, then 2,500, 5,000, and then 100. That's what it will be. Let me grab my. There's so many combs over here. Jeez. Doll hairs. Again, so that's 1, 5, 10, 25, 50, 100. That's perfectly. That's 6. So it'll be the top row. 1, 5, 10, 25, 50, 100. Yeah. Top row, bottom row. Cool. Yeah, and then when I get to doing the cash shop, I'll do that. Should I knock that out now? Actually, no. I won't knock that out now. I'll do that later. I'll knock other stuff out now. I'll knock more annoying stuff out now. The one of which is going to be this top right hand corner over here. Those are buffs. And buffs. Let me close Chatty here, or close the screen for Chatty. I'll still hear everything, but I don't want it open there. And that is going to be in the main GUI. There you go. It's the top right. I don't think there's anything coded for the top right yet. Probably don't need to do all of this. I've recently started just making self.gui equal to the GUI itself, and then just getting these elsewhere. Anyway, so that's the GUI script, but is there a buff script, or is it just... I think all that happens is over here in the... Oh wait, where is the buff script here? Is it damage? Or it's skills? Cooldown, yeah. MP check, cooldown check. Summon trigger. Aura trigger, buff trigger. Here we go. And then this is on the server. And what this does is add something. Yeah, adds this new buff instance. Alright, where's the parent? Oh, actually, no. So I create the new buff instance. But I keep it in limbo on purpose. And then I clone it. Why is this capital? Does it? I don't even know if it matters anymore. I've seen capital, I've seen lowercase, and now I'm confused. Oh, right, at the end of it we can destroy it. Okay. So it's just automatically destroyed at the end anyway, but it's duplicated and moved into the appropriate places in the meantime. Alright, this is where we get skill to players. Okay. We parent it again to the buff skill folder. What? I feel like I messed up ordering here. Alright, sorry, I have to like revisit this now because there's a few things that I wanted to make sure with buffs. I wanted to make sure, one, that you can only have one of each buff on you at a time. Two, that if the person that buffed you is no longer in your party, that buff has to be removed. Although I don't know if I did that in the party system or in the buff system, and now I'm thinking it makes more sense to do it in the buff system, and I don't really see it here, so I assume it's in the party. So let's take a look at the party system. I don't care about transfer leadership. I care about updating the player party, maybe? Alright, accept invite. That's fine. Update party. Load party. Oh, jeez, I'm yawning too much. I'm probably gonna head offline in 15 minutes. Because it's literally just me looking at this and being like, wait, why does this not work? The fastest way for me to check whether or not I actually put this in, which I thought I did, but I guess I didn't. The fastest way for me to check is just to test with 2 players. So I'll just test with 2 players. Because with parties, I already checked to make sure only one party buff works at a time. Like that, I'm pretty sure works. Next. Party invite. Wait, I have to check this. This looks weird. Party leave. Okay, party invite accept. What? I'm so confused. Okay, that was fine before. 99 bugs of code on the wall. 99 bugs of code. Take one down, fix it. 3,000 bugs of code. What do we do? Well, I'm gonna close this first because that was weird. So what's happening is I'm inviting someone to join the party. They join the party, but for some reason the invite still stays on the screen for some reason. This wouldn't be a server thing. This would be a client thing. Well, this would be a client invite thing, not even a client party thing. It doesn't do anything, but technically you could accidentally add someone to the ignore list that way. It's requests, I think. Okay. Where is party? Next request. There you go. So if I accept, oh, it's right here. Okay, that's fine. Party. Okay, we good here. We good. How did this not? How is this not caught before? I think I know the problem. But this makes no sense. I don't, but I can add one. Just a, are you sure you want to ignore, or are you sure you want to block? Although for the block one, I don't think I actually have to do that because I think for like a friend request and a block request, I think Roblox actually automatically sends a double check for you. It's just the ignore. The ignore doesn't really fully work yet, but I do have a list for it that I check against. I just don't put anybody in the list yet. Oh dear. What's this? Nothing. Okay. So let me double check what I think the problem here is. I think the problem is I never actually remove the request. Because over here, whenever I say next request, oh wait, kind of trade, next, trade request. 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 Next, tr I think it's because I did something here, and like for trades, and I never double checked it for parties. That's probably what it is. The thing is the only place where I have table.remove, where I remove requests, is here, and I don't think I do it here. This is what I think the problem is. I think I don't actually ever remove the request. Unless you click decline or ignore. So I'm going to try that with trades because this would apply to trades too. And if this is the case, then I don't get how I didn't catch this before. Oh, I'm testing this out with a single player thing. That won't work. Yeah, because this I think would happen with trades too, unless, and I didn't check this, unless trades check them like in the trade module. Let's see. Trade. Next. Oh, yeah, it would work with trades because I do remove it. All right. So that is the problem. So I'm not even gonna test it because that I know that's gonna work, or I know that this is the problem now. So we can close out a trade. This is party. This is requests. So party. Yeah. Local requests mod is equal to, just make this a little bit. Make a little bit more sense. All right. Cool. Let's test that again. All right, let's go back to test what I was originally trying to test, which was buffs. Oh, right, this is gonna keep doing stuff no matter what. Sure, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so if I party invite. Oh, I'm in a party. Leave. Party invite.
wait, what? I got an error here from before. Oh, this is the same problem. Initialize party. Oh no, I'm gonna have to push another update because there's some weird things going on here. This is client master module. Client master module party initialize party. It's right here. What are you talking about? It's still right there. Client master module. Yeah, this is the place. Bro, I'm so confused. Why? Client party. Yeah, I mean, it's initialized over there. Oh, you know what? Let me check. The server elsewhere too. Is this the server? Yeah, here. Is there any other errors that I can take a look at? No, not really. Okay. So no server side errors. So that's fine. But a few different kinds of client side errors. What? Update party. Initialize party. Okay, I see. So I see the problem now, but now I've got to... So over here, I don't know how this was not shown to be a problem before. Module client party. All right. Request. Initialize. Party invite is indeed in requests. Let me just minimize all of this stuff. I feel like this particular invite is... Oh, this is the one that sends it, and the one that receives it is here, right? Party invite is definitely a request. All right, now create party is pretty sure that's not in... In fact, I don't think there is one here for create party. Because I'm pretty sure create party would be a server-side thing, not a client-side thing. Yo, I thought I finished this already. So initialize party is in party, not in requests. I don't know why I had it in requests before. All right, that was weird. Anyway, let's try that again. Let's close out of that one. Close out of this one too. Actually, I'm not going to close out of that one. I'll just test with this. All right, after this test, I'm going to head off. I'll keep working, but I'll be offline for a little bit. Should grab a snack or something. Sheesh. Was what? One sec. Let me clean this up again and start, because that was confusing again. Yeah, three more hours and we'll start putting pedal to the metal. We'll have to start coming up with what we want to do first. We don't have to go too crazy with it. Just keep that in mind. No need to go incredibly, insanely crazy with it. In terms of like not eating or sleeping, I mean. Okay, so which one of these is in a party? Not you. You are in a party. Okay. That's actually kind of fine. Okay. I am kind of happy about this now. Let's level up a bit. I am now level 14. That is not high enough for what I want, but let's start by sure. Let's start by using some keybinds here. So we do that. That. Save. All right, cool. Jeez. Fair enough, fair enough. I mean, I'm certainly gonna sleep on the first day, because here's the thing. If Henry and Bop are gonna, well, depending on how much Henry and Bop help, like I would kind of want their input on things, especially if Henry is truly going to be scripting most of it. Because I claimed the team lead role, but we'll see what I end up having to do. Um, Bop is gonna ideally. I'm gonna have to talk with Bop because he said or I don't know how long he'll actually be able to be on, but ideally he makes anything we tell him to make. Um, if you think you can make something quicker just because you know exactly what you want, you're more than welcome to do it. But if it's like something, but basically, I think before you start making things and like actually building in the world, we need like a list of things that each of us need to do. So a list of things for Henry to script, a list of things for Bop to make, and just basically an outline of what we want the world to look like for you to build. And then we can go from there. And then I'll do things in between based on the demand. Yeah, I'll do the VFX stuff because the thing with, I mean, I posted something saying, hey, if anybody is interested in joining, let me know. But I'm gonna be honest, for VFX and animations and that kind of stuff, I think it's a major help for the person who's doing that to know the scripting process for it because I think it allows you to do some really really cool stuff. If you know like where you want to put the like certain tags, because if you know where you want to put certain tags in animation, and then you can make smaller, more pinpoint accurate VFX for that part of the animation too. Like it's pretty cool. I don't really have it done in the game currently, but That's mainly because the animations in the game right now are very, very minimal. They're bare minimum for like the base class stuff. I'll be modifying them later for like more advanced skills. I'll probably actually have to put a tag on like almost every part of the animation. Oh, also, let's level up. All right, level 21. Oh, this didn't update. Oh, okay. I need to be level. I don't even know what level it is. All I know is that these things give 1 experience, therefore they're only giving me 10,000 experience. I have to go to things that gives me multiples of that. Oh, also let's increase my stats. Let me show what I'm doing right now. Actually, let me see if I can. I don't know which one I'm on. This is the one. Okay, good. So we're gonna do. It's gonna be 10. Confirm. All right. I just want to level up quick. But I also want maybe some decent stuff here. Yeah, every monster is 1 level here. I'm pretty sure I got enough weapons. Equip. Alright, I should be able to massacre these guys pretty easily now. Without dying too quick. Well, actually, I don't have any other armor, so that won't really have a bearing on my actual dying. Oh my gosh, I almost died just by taking 1 hit. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go get actual armor and see how much less damage I take with armor. Because I don't think I actually tested that yet. Problem is even with a 5 times drop rate, these things are actually kind of rare. These drops. Which is good. I do want them kind of rare, honestly. But it's a little bit of a pain when testing. RNGesus, yep. The thing is with the times 5 drop rate, it's still like, actually, because I think these have like a 1% drop rate now. So now, with the times 5 drop rate, it's a 5% drop rate, which is pretty high, actually, considering how quickly I'm killing these things. A 5% drop rate is actually insanely high for this kind of game. Oh, shoot. Don't. Okay, good. Let me save here and put some armor on. These are all mythic rarity items because I maxed out the rarity on everything. Let's change my things here. What do... Oh, I don't have shoes yet. Or shoulders. I mean, I do, but it's the green shoulders. Might as well. And the green shoes, might as well.
What about here? Oh, nothing for the eye or the hands. Let me go get something for the hands. Actually, let me go get something. Uh, Let me go get stuff in here. Oh, wait, I can't do that. Oops, I forgot. I forgore. All right, so this is where we get all the gloves. Oh, I have a high enough. First, let me just equip some gloves. Oh, I got a glove with Pierce on it. Oh shoot. Doesn't matter for this. Okay, 144. Let me try that again. How much damage? Attack me. Attack me. Okay, 137, 144, something like that. So if I take all of this stuff off now, unequip, unequip, unequip. And these things don't actually give defense. So it was 137 and 144. How much now? Okay. So it's about a 100% increase in the damage I take, or a 50% reduction. Shoot. Alright, so gloves are kind of weird right now. I'm going to have to figure that out. Wait, what? I caused an error, though. Alright, so this is awkward. Alright, I'm going to figure this out. I'll head offline to figure this out, though, because some of these things are, like, really in the weeds now. Yeah. Alright, snipped it. We'll figure it out. In the meantime, yeah, I'll see you in 2.5 hours. We'll get this party started. Let's win this thing. Have a good one, man. Bye.